Have you ever wondered how plants make their own food? What is their secret recipe? Well, it's not as complicated as you might think. It's all about a process called photosynthesis. Picture this. A plant is like a tiny factory, using raw materials to churn out food. But instead of smokestacks and conveyor belts, it uses leaves and stems. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize foods with the help of chlorophyll pigments. In simple terms, it's the method plants use to convert light energy, usually from the sun, into chemical energy that can be later released to fuel the organism's activities. The process of photosynthesis occurs in two stages: the light-dependent reactions and the light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle. The light-dependent reactions take place within the thylakoid membranes in the chloroplasts of the plant. During this stage, light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, and NADPH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Water molecules are split in the process, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. The light-independent reactions, on the other hand, occur outside of the thylakoids in the stroma. Here, the ATP and NADPH produced in the light-dependent reactions are used to convert carbon dioxide into glucose, a simple sugar that the plant uses for energy. It's fascinating to think that every breath of oxygen we take and every bite of food we eat is thanks to photosynthesis. It's the basis of life on Earth, providing us with the oxygen we need to breathe and the food we need to survive. So, to sum up, photosynthesis is a process that converts light energy into chemical energy, which is then used to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This all happens within the green leaves of plants, thanks to the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. This process is not just crucial for plants, but for all life on Earth. It's a fundamental part of our world's ecosystem, maintaining the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and providing food for countless organisms. So the next time you see a green leaf, remember the incredible process happening within it. The leaf, acting as a tiny factory, is hard at work converting sunlight into life-sustaining energy. It's a process that's been happening for billions of years, and it's one that will continue to sustain life on our planet for billions more.